Okay, I received these problems from a student. Hopefully they will make sense. So we're gonna do them. So the first one, it says graph the line, right? So I usually like to break down things in sections, right? So graph the line, so that means that we need a Cartesian coordinate system, x and y, of the equation 6x minus 2y equal to minus 2. But then here we have a set of instructions using the slope and y-intercept. So that means that we need the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So it's telling us what to do with this equation. We need to solve for y. Okay, so I like to write down what I need to do. That way I know what concepts I need to achieve. So solve for y. So I have 6x minus 2y is equal to minus 2, right? So if you're not versed in solving for a variable, this will be important. So I need to pass 6x to the right side. So that will leave me with minus 2y is equal to minus 6x minus 2. Then divide by negative 2. Let me put blue here. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, right? Dividing by all terms, so you can do just a minus 2 for both terms in the right side. But, you know, I like to break it down like that so people can see it. So let me just move this thing. That's the second problem that I need to move. So that will give me, so this cancels. So y is equal minus 6 divided by minus 2, that's 3. X minus 2 divided by minus 2, that's plus 1. So you can see that this equation now match what I was looking for. Y is equal to mx plus b. So the slope is 3 and the intercept is 1. So that means that I have the intercept as 0, 1. That's the x-intercept. So 1 and 3, right? Or 3 over 1. That means that for every, so this is for every unit that we move to the right, we move 3 units up, right? So this point is 4. So that's my other point here, which is 1, 4, right? So it passes through that, right? I didn't hit the point, but that's okay. Yeah, you know, my lines are kind of skewed. Second problem. Choose the most convenient method to graph the line 3x minus 2y equal to minus 12. So you can substitute values for x, right? So for example, x, y, so 1, 2, 3, and find values for y. You can do that. You can find intercepts, okay, which is x and y, finding 2 points, 0, and you find the point here, and the other intercept is 0, and you find the other value here, and that will give you 2 points. Or you can do y is equal to mx plus b, right? So 3 different ways of achieving the same result. So which one to pick? Well, it depends. In this case, I believe that this one will be easier. Why is that? Because 3 and 2, right? So 12 is divisible by either 3 or 2. So I can plug in values, 0 values for either x or y, and you know, obtain an easy division to get the solution, right? So I'm gonna pick this one, finding intercepts. So So I have my little table here. So when x is 0, I will have 3 times 0 minus 2y equal to minus 12. So I'm going to solve for that. So I'm not going to do the whole division thing. So y is going to be equal to 6. So that gives me the point 0, 6. And when y is 0, to find x, right, I'm just going to do it here. So I have 3x minus 2 times 0 is equal to minus 12. So that means that x is equal to minus 4, giving me the point minus 4, 0. Right, so you can use now these 2 points to graph your equation. Okay, so hopefully this will help.